Go back, guy.
It's at the perfect level for him to stick his head in it.
Come on, dude. He obviously likes it. I think he got them going. I think he was talking into the bell.
I think he loves the bell.
You like your bell, guy? There you go. This has to go on YouTube. Sorry, guy. Hi, guy. There you go. I think Buddy likes his new bell. That's a better fit, guy, isn't it?
I can stick my whole head in there. I think he's done.
I think he is too.